Now I'm walking to some kind of a forest. They say have a safari. I'm planning to get on to that. It seems to be on the top of the place. It's crap. Alright, I'll see you in a while. They may rob my phone. I have to be careful. I got the ticket, so we're going in. I'm in the place. I'm looking for a toilet. What to do? Alright. So these are the rules. Okay, let's look for the toilet. I'm gonna have some food. Makaya na ekatika.
One person. And after.
Me get to gendare bonamen. Okay. Tastes like a coconut something. Not sure. It's crusty. Pretty good. Better than I thought. Finally, I'm in the pub.
Yes, okay.
I've reached some. Story of the park. Alright. This is the t-shirt of the park. So this is alright. Alright. We need to have a look around. A look. Story of the park. This is a hell of a story. You heard the story? Yeah. You can touch it.
You can touch
I've gone up around 1 kilometer, but still we have more to go. Guys, I don't think I can make it up there. Grown up here already.
Oh, there's three.
The Bappa to give. Bappa to give. One pet cola. Pet cola. I have reached the limit. They will not allow to go beyond this. See? This is the limit. And this looks like military controlled zone about this. So we don't know what lies beneath this crap. Okay, let's have a look. Around here, there's a check post. Then, yeah. Well, time to go back down. 4 kilometers. Looks like I made it to the top. The top of what they bring us. See? This is the dead end. Okay, we'll pause it. Let's have a look at this side. Do not disturb the animal and take photograph with the animal. But if the animal is my body, I can take a photo. Looks like they have a little worship place in the middle of nowhere. Donation box to that guy.